a longtime Lewiston mental health provider is now merging with Sweetser. Cameron Lopley reports now how both providers are hoping this merger can expand access to mental health care in Androscoggin County.
Some big changes coming to mental health programs here in Lewiston as Common Ties Mental Health Services officially merges with Sweetser.
When we started this pursuit of finding the perfect fit, it became very clear very early on that Sweetser was the good fit for us.
That's Common Ties Executive Director Karen Bate. She says merging with what's now the state's largest behavioral health provider wasn't just fortunate, it was critical.
We had struggled with financial instability for at least a year or two, and it really made us examine if we could continue the way the structures were as far as funding at both the state and federal levels.
She says many smaller independent providers are facing similar challenges, with funding out of Augusta and Washington often not meeting the changing and growing needs of clients seeking support. In joining Sweetser, Bates says stability will now be much easier to find.
It's definitely a learning curve from going from a very small agency to a very large agency. Common Ties was around for over 40 years, and it's definitely an adjustment for us, but we are honored and very excited to see where our future takes us.
Common Ties served around 300 clients, all of which are expected to see no lapse in care during the merger, and nearly all of Common Ties' staff will continue with Sweetser. Sweetser officials say that with Common Ties having served the Lewiston community for over 4 decades, they want to ensure that the merger is as smooth as possible for those that rely on their services.
Whether it's employment or peer support or med management or therapy, all of the staff here are working together to support that client and to really help them, regain a wonderful life.
If you're hoping to learn a little bit more about the mental health services that are available in the Lewiston area, you can do so in person at Sweetser's Hope and Healing Center or online at lewistonhealing.org. In Lewiston, I'm Cameron Lopley for Maine's Total Coverage.